Hey, now here's a good looking truck just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1972 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne Super. 454 big block power underneath the hood. 300 miles on the motor, automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has new components, blows cold. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the front of this truck. Headlight surrounds, bumper, grille. Of course, the iconic Chevy bow tie. Check out the still pictures on this one. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Big meaty BF Goodrich radials, polished wheels. Great look on this truck. Check out that stance. Don't expect this one to be around here very long. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Look at how nice and straight these panels are. The trim work, bright work down the side. Also nice and straight, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. We'll get around to the driver's side. Check out the interior also. Beautiful blue and black cloth and vinyl combination with the houndstooth. Very fitting color for a 72, that medium blue and white two-tone. Does have a spray-in bed liner. Nice soft tonneau cover that will roll up. You'll be able to see that pictured both ways in the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some extra parts, I guess, and or accessories that are going to go with this. Some door panels, trim pieces. Also it looks like the old compressor, dash panel, and it does have some skyjacker shocks, brand new in the box. We'll put that back in the bed of it, and those components will go along with it. Some service work recently done. Transfer case and the rear end. Had the seals replaced, those are new. Has an aftermarket retro sound style radio in it, that does work. True dual exhaust, X-pipe. Like I said, check out those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look down this driver's side and you can see again how nice and straight those panels are. Trim work, bright pieces on there. Again, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. This truck will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Be a fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Hey, just to have, period. If you like this body style, you're not alone. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be online or if you can see us in person. Come check it out on our indoor showroom floor. All right, let's check out those door panels. Newer interior, as you can see, and again, that houndstooth blue and black cloth vinyl combination, tilt column. You'll be able to see the inside of the glove box door, so you can see how this was equipped from the factory. You're also going to see the VIN tag and the still pictures. Every angle of this truck, you'll be able to see undersides and under the hood. We are going to start it up. Let's check that out. And here you can see, so it's kind of a retro sound style radio where it looks like one of the older ones but is newer. I'm going to have to grab the key. It's not in here, but I thought we'll take a peek at this interior real quick first. Dash looks good. Pretty stock looking gauge cluster. Tell you what, let me pause this real quick, grab the key, and we'll get this thing fired up. All right, I'm back. Let's check out this big block. That fires up easily. Sounds good too. You see the tack's working. And yeah, radio is working. Power's up. We'd have to find a station, but oh, there's the one. It's a good sounding stereo. Speaking of good sounding, let's check out this big block. Again, true dual exhaust X-pipe. That was a cold start, so we have a little higher idle here. I'm going to let it warm up a bit. We'll stick our heads underneath that hood, check out that engine bay. Man, this is a pretty truck. All right, let me pause this a second. See if we get that down in low idle. We're going to check out this engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this truck for a drive too. We'll see how it goes down the road. All right, how about the underside of the hood here first off? Nice flat black finish. There it is. 454, so aluminum radiator. Looks like newer brake booster master cylinder proportioning valve. And power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Has been converted. 134A. Take a little listen behind it now. It's a good sounding truck too. 1972 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne Super. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email in. Call in. Like I said, I don't think this one's going to stick around long. Good looking truck.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1972 Chevrolet K20. That is the perfect height with the perfect stance, in my opinion. I'm loving this 4x4 look on this truck, and it is a four-wheel drive with the shift for the four-wheel right on the floor and the automatic transmission shifter right on the column, so it's easy to drive for anybody. We have a tachometer right in the middle that is working as it should. Speedometer also working as it should on the left there, and the fuel gauge is on the right with the quarter tank. Oil pressure is showing a little over 3/4 of the way up the gauge, so nice and high. Generally you want high, that's good. The temperature is low, it is less than 1/4 of the way, and it's probably still warming up. The factory battery gauge is not moving, it's probably not functioning based on the look of it. Retro sound style radio in the dash sounds great. Really kind of impressive for what seems to be one speaker putting out that sound. It sounds good. Great looking semi houndstooth design on the seat, bench seat, and nice blue carpeting, blue headliner, and visors all matching very well. Good road manners for this truck. 4x4 generally you expect a little bit rougher ride, and this isn't bad at all. Corners nice and flat in the corners, which you love to see in a lifted truck. Great rumble when you hear this idling, which you just did. You gotta love it. It sounds good. 1972 4x4 K20. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all you want to know about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.